Coach PJ here. Is your company dependent on you to run smoothly? Are you wondering how you will ever step away from the business? The most valuable companies don't rely on the owner's involvement to succeed. Finding a general manager or second in command to replace themselves is one of the hardest projects founders may ever tackle. Whether you rely on a recruiter, paid advertising, or your personal network to find candidates, one of the first steps to shortlisting talent is a comprehensive review of their background. And many founders make the common error of being enamored with someone who spent time at a big company, but the skills at a large company tend to differ from what most young companies need. Big companies often have well-established processes, systems, and hierarchies that have contributed to their success. People that thrive in big companies tend to excel at winning within a predetermined framework. However, in a younger, scrappier startup, there's no framework to follow, which is why big company veterans often struggle in a more entrepreneurial environment. Instead of basing your hires off an impressive name, look for someone innovative, comfortable with chaos, action-oriented, and creative. Someone with an entrepreneurial mindset. Here are 5 strategies you can use to identify innovative candidates when making hiring decisions. First, look for problem solvers. Innovation often involves finding creative solutions to problems. Look for candidates that have demonstrated the ability to think strategically and come up with innovative solutions to challenges they have faced in the past. Second, ask about their approach to problem solving. During the interview, ask candidates to describe their approach to problem solving and how they've produced innovative solutions in the past. This will give you insight into their thought process and willingness to take risks and think creatively. Third, evaluate their learning agility. Innovative employees are often those that are open to learning and adaptable. Look for candidates with a history of taking on new challenges and learning new skills. Fourth, assess their ability to work in teams. Innovation often involves collaboration, so look for candidates that have demonstrated the ability to work effectively in teams. Ask about their past experiences working in teams and how they have contributed to the success of those teams. And fifth, consider their creativity. Look for candidates that have a creative portfolio or have pursued creative hobbies or projects outside of work. This can be a good indicator of their potential to bring new ideas and innovative ideas into your organization. Right now, your company probably relies on you for a healthy dose of creativity and innovation, but if your goal is to replace yourself, follow these 5 strategies can increase your chances of identifying innovative candidates that will bring fresh ideas and fresh thinking to your organization. If succession planning is something that you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call and get together for a coffee. Or if you know that this is absolutely what you need and you want to get started right away, I offer a complimentary coaching session where we'll dig deep into your business, identify the opportunities, and put a plan in place to go forward. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, comment below, helping you get the business you deserve. Your business profit. Until next time.